Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find Easter eggs and get Easter tokens in FC Mobile. Collect all Easter tokens. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the heroes event, and also you can jump into flash freeze chapter. If you notice on the freeze the page, you can see the egg. This is the Easter egg. So guarantee reward 1 Easter token and 500 coin. You can tap free button, tap to open, and we got 1 Easter token. So what is this? You can go back to the home page, go to the store and tap top events. This one, Easter pack. You can open this Easter pack by collecting 3 Easter tokens. You can find 3 Easter eggs and tap to get 3 Easter tokens. This is the guarantee reward, premium Easter logo, and Easter kit, and also to Mascherano, universal rank player. So maybe there will be an update for in the future. So for now, you can only collect 1 Easter egg or Easter token. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.